property standards module or zoning enforcement, depending on how your county or parish is set up to handle if you run this module. The standards module, just highlight the property standards, press the enter key, and brings up this module. Let's take a look at any one of the records. Enter in the normal manner, click the plus, add the record, or right click and insert insert here, or the F8 function key. So let's double click, we'll open a record and take a look at it. These are the primary enforcement dates when you want to manage the operations. Generally, the process, and this varies from city to county to parish, whoever's running the system, there's a nice letter generated either before or after a photo inspection. The photo inspection a lot of times is done due to a complaint which has been, or parish or city. You generate a nice letter, then if that letter is signed, it may close the whole process because they did comply. You keep track of each step as you go through the process. In this particular one, there was a photo inspection, then a nice letter was generated asking them to, we'll take a look at it here. You can right click and edit existing record. We asked them on this to mow the yard, remove a junk car, add a tree across the driveway, and then any other things. Once that is generated, you can print that letter and enter 060209. And then it gives you that letter plus the second page will list what complaints need to be resolved. And same way to notice that a green card or a compliance letter has been signed, and track those letter on it and then closing it. But that basically is, it keeps track of each step of your property standards compliance as you go through it, so you have full documentation. You also can put pictures of the, this is going to be, we need to shrink it down a little bit, of the original complaint that was lodged so that we have pictures. You can take a picture before, during, and after, or any number of sequence pictures. The pictures would be saved in the property standards folder, which is beneath the images folder, which is beneath the data folder. And the pictures would use this as their name, the assessment number, 9878 and 984. If you had multiple pictures, you would call them -1, -2, -3, -4, and they can be in any format. You also can do a Google lookup on the property, and it references the street and street address, street number, street address, and then in the city that it's in. Once in Google, you can do a terrain lookup, check for drainage, map lookup, and you can zoom in on it and go back to satellite. So basically, you can track the full complaint from origination through compliance, keeping track of all the steps so that you have documentation on everything that you've done. That pretty much covers the property standards module. If you have questions, give us an email at compulinkltd@cs.com. If you have any need for a particular training seminar, all the recorded sessions will be out on our website. So give us